Hi guys, welcome back to the Nordic Watch channel. I'm Anders from Finland, and in this quick video I will show you how to set the time on a basic square Casio G-Shock. In my left hand there's the Casio G-Shock GM-5600, and in my right hand is the DW5600BB, which I have reviewed on my channel. Both of these Casios use the same module, which is the 3229. So this instruction works on both of these and many more, and because the buttons are easier to push on this GM5600, I will use that in the video, but it works also on this black one. To keep it simple, let's just name our 4 buttons which we have here. So we have the A, B, C and D buttons. The A button is used to enter the time and date edit mode, and you can see that when the seconds start to blink. The C button is used to adjust these different units. So by pressing the C button we can reset the seconds. If it's over 30 it will reset to the next minute, and if it's under 30 it will reset to the minute we have here now. The B button is used to toggle between these different units. So after the seconds, when we press the B button we get the hours. As I said, the C button is then again used to change the value. And then the D button is only used to change between 24-hour mode and the AM/PM mode. So when we're happy with our hours, I want to use the 24 hours here. We can move on with the B button to the minutes, set our minutes using the C button. Let's go with 20. Moving on, we have the year, which goes all the way up to 100, after which it resets. So keeping the C button pressed, you can go faster. Let's go with the year 25. Moving on with the B button again, we have the month, which of course resets after 12. And then last but not least we have the date. And let's go with 17. And then it goes back to the beginning. Now if I press when the seconds are over 30, you'll see that the minutes will change to 21. At any point when you feel you're ready with your time adjustment, just press the A button to exit this mode and you're good to go. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also leave me a comment down below if you have anything to say. I try to answer all comments. And see you in a future video. Bye bye.